Hey, what up, fuck nigga? Hey, it's your boy Mike, motherfucking 3 times checking in another motherfucking video around this bitch. Nah, but for real, hey, you see, we got the trap mobile, we got the goddamn sexy red, and then we got the Laffy Taffy motherfucking mobile. You feel? We finna head to motherfucking Birmingham right now, finna turn up at the pit, finna go goddamn fuck my boy Miko and the whole, you feel me, dog shit record team, everybody from 205. Hey, shout out to y'all. Y'all niggas pop it. Y'all niggas the best sliders in the state. I stamped that shit. But, hey, we finna go ahead and get into this video. I'ma check back in with y'all boys when we get on the road. What up? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, motherfucking 3 son. Hey, as y'all can tell, we just hit this bitch. We in the Scattyville motherfucking Ville, you feel me? We got the big 3.9 dude, big 6.4 for your hoe right there. We got Nardo right here in that little wide body thing. Then we got Chris, goddamn slow ass vet. The fucking oh shit, I was finna catch that bitch. Hey vlog, I was finna catch that bitch. But look, we got the slow goddamn Laffy Taffy banana boat mobile.
Chill out, man.
But yeah, hey Trap, if you watching it, hurry your slow ass up, bro. Come on, bro. We got all these niggas out here waiting to shoot for your ass, bro. Hurry up, bro. You got a fucking Hellcat, push that hoe. Hey man, say that, bro. Tell Trap to hurry his ass up, bro. Oh, see, there you go. Oh, hey, he hear me talking this shit, bro. Like, bro, he had a whole navigator and everything, bro. Like, come on, bro. I just know he finna go stupid coming through this bitch. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all already see the vibes, you feel me? Hey, pop out with this, bro. Come on now. Big SRT on the Brimbos.
Man, look, it's good to be here after a whole hour of being late.
Like, damn, bro, what happened, Trap? I was right behind you the whole time, bro.
Check this
Bro,
out,
I beat y'all and y'all left me.
Check this out.
That's actually put on side of my house.
Like, I'm literally going down the road. I said, then it said, I seen a dude like this. Then it said, roll close. I'm like, bro, what's going on, dog?
Y'all ain't got no scat, y'all partner out? Let me get my shit back right.
Oh, you had a skit?
Here where y'all posted?
Yeah.
What y'all got a channel or something? Yeah. What y'all on YouTube or something?
I was the first one at the gas station in Montgomery. But I was the last one here.
Like, come on, bro. Niggas always on colored folks time, bro.
And then, look, I'm in the cat. I get here.
Hey, that's the thing. Always bet on the vet. That's it.
Bro,
Y'all
slow ass.
It's the bow tie people, man.
Bow tie.
It's the bow tie folks.
Hey, but for real though, y'all. Hey, look, y'all go ahead and peek the line up, bro. Like,
this ain't even everybody.
I seen Slime on the way through.
oh, for real?
Yeah, he was down at the cemetery.
Hey, Chris, you remember we was talking about your lights? That what you need. You see what he got? One of them.
Yeah, no, he bitch went out. I mean, he didn't go out, but the RGB saw it.
But like the little fuse thing. Yeah, they got them at like AutoZone like $10.
Yeah.
Cause he got underglow. God damn!
I see you on the ground all the time, dog. What's on the trap, dog? What's up?
Your boy had it.
What collar that?
Right behind you.
You want right there?
Hey, what up, Mike? Oh, shit.
Downtown.
Hand slipper.
Shit, you good?
Downtown. In downtown? That wasn't me.
What you got done to your exhaust?
I ain't drive downtown.
Double legs. Mufflers, but I just blew the mufflers and headers.
For sure.
We seen the Glizzy.
Shit, he just came.
Yeah, he's like,
We just seen Glizzy and Norris.
I just seen him too.
I'm good.
I'm ready to go, man.
y'all ready?
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, let go ahead and go. Damn, the vlog just started. Somebody already got ran over, bro. Damn, that shit crazy. God damn. Hey man, say man, vlog, this shit crazy.
They slide over here too. Oh Lord. trying to be safe.
Nah, it ain't no save.
Yeah, I know what's safe. Look, that's what she did.
Oh, shit.
She got the fuck out the way. Imagine getting scarred up out here.
Boy, what? Look at that shit.
Imagine your content.
Bro, I be ready to go home.
I be so ready to go.
Hey, what you said? Don't never turn away from the car.
Hey, vlog, we just got out here. Motherfuckers already getting ran over. Oh, shit. Miko, you certified? You a shooter? Oh, God, it hot. I should have brought shorts, bro. Hey, what up?
Hey, you getting out there, ain't it? Huh? You said you were getting out there last time.
Somebody stole my shit, brother. Somebody stole my shit, brother. My shit in the inbound for 2 racks right now.
2?
Yeah, in New Orleans, yeah. I ain't playing.
Hey, what you want to do?
And now look, in New Orleans it go up every day. Every day it's in the inbound, it go up. Yeah, I ain't doing that. Yeah, the turbocharger in there, everything.
What you want to do? You want to get that bit?
You go get in the bid. I ain't gonna goddamn smack a bitch.
Toss keys, I got 500. Yeah.
No, you got to go.
He said Mike's scary, bro. He scared. He think a nigga gonna hit his car. He think a nigga gonna smash his car so bad. Why the fuck would I smash a fucking car that's more than my fucking salary?
Bro, I'm not scared of you. I'm scared of them.
You can get it out by yourself.
I might.
Look. Now he said I might. Man, you gonna ask me? I'm like, hell no.
Hey,
I ain't got no more tires. I ain't got no more tires.
Look, see that's what he said every time.
bullshit. Said that last time.
I be watching his videos and just bought some time, bro.
Hey, we gonna cut that out, vlog.
Check it out, check that sign, but we killing shit in here, motherfucker. Check him out.
Hey, watch your mouth, nigga.
Huh?
Watch your mouth, nigga.
It ain't thinking of my beat.
Look at that big. Which one harder? Which one harder? The bet on this.
No, they be OD.
Okay. I know what's up.
They be a little better though.
Okay, respect.
Ain't sunshine, motherfucker.
Come on. Laffy Taffy, motherfucker.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. This nigga talking about Laffy.
Hey, what up? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike motherfucking 3 times. Hey, I'm going through editing this video right now, and I realized, y'all, I did not get much of the pit, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm tired of going to the pit for real. All it is just folks riding around smacking folks in their cars and buckets running to $100,000 cars and stuff like. Hey, bro, I'm be completely honest. I'm tired of going to the pit for real. It's the same thing every single time. So, hey, this video, I just really want to get a few more clips, like Trap, Chris, and everybody else just kicking it on a Saturday, bro. That's what it's all about, you feel me? When you got these cars and stuff, like, come on, bro. Like, don't nobody want to mess up they nice $50,000, $60,000 car or even more. Like, come on, bro. You buy these cars to enjoy them, pop out, have fun with them. You know, you can slide, do a little donut or two, a little burnout, but actually trying to destroy the car? Hell nah, bro. That ain't the type time we on. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos of the big 3-9 dude. It's been your boy Mike 3 times. I'll check back in with y'all next video. Peace. Damn, fucking goddamn mosquito. Fuck you.